is Jansen. It's been a month since I visited Skin House Laser Clinic for my Gentle Mask Pro Plus lower face. So I wanted to remove the hair on my lower part of my face because mabalbon na tao. Kahit ilang oras pa nga lang pagka-shave ko, makikita ko na parang they're starting to grow na naman. During the treatment, they said na Gentle Mask Pro Plus is their most advanced laser technology. Ang mismong na-feel ko dun sa laser, para siyang wisik ng tubig na medyo malakas and may onting init. Ganun. Pero it is something na tolerable. Alam mo yung first session pa lang pero makikita mo na agad yung pagbabago. After ilang days, kahit may tumutubo, nagiging mas thin. Minsan nakikita ko na lang sa leg ko na may mga kumakalat na buhok. Yung bala, nagpo-fall off na siya. Ito na yung kinalabasan niya. And disclaimer lang na nag-shave ako for an event. Tagal na yun, it's like 2 weeks na. And as you can see na manipis pa rin yung tubo niya. They said na minimum of 6 yung ideal na session na kailangan kong gawin para makita talaga yung pinakamalaking improvement. Can't wait to do more session with Skin House Laser.